Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to fly the Boeing 787. Okay, to be honest, I like it. Not a lot, but I still like it. Okay, why does it not have a line in the front of the gear? I think there's a glitch or something. Let's take off right now. This thing is so cool. I haven't flight this airline in real life, but it's worth it. I like playing games. Alright, we're gonna go to cruising altitude.
Light winds, few scattered clouds, temperatures about 8.
Let's go. Let's speed things up a little. This is taking too long. Pretty sure. Turbulence again. We survived it. Okay, turbulence again, not again. Who's being served? Alright, that's enough speeding up. I think, I don't know. Turbulence again. There you go. Okay. We're descending.
Another 15 for immense flight again for us.
We're just going to land. We are cleared for landing. Alright. No gears! Are you serious right now, bro? Alright, I guess that's not impossible. I've tried this before. Did you know that? It's time to land. With no gears, bro. Okay, we landed safely. Without crashing. Alright. That was... How did we lose our gears? Serious face again. Bye everybody. Hope you had a good day.